weapon into your hands.
Soldier Slideshow! Soldier, Your Majesty.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Master.
You're great.
The Muster is the backbone of the Ranger's arsenal, allowing you to hit targets in a short to medium range.
Oops. Oh.
The Alpha Disruptor fires a deadly stream of plasma, allowing you to hit multiple targets at once.
Silent! No!
This little baby's the Negotiator. Fires multiple long-range, high-impact rockets. Great versus heavy armor.
Quick. What?
Buzzblade,
No! What was that?
the warmonger.
Hey, I don't know what score is it?
I don't know. Spiral attack.
Uh-oh. You did it. Oops.
Fusion grenade. Wow.
How am I doing?
Soldier!
So this is
Impossible!
office.
You're watching doing it.
I don't mind it as much as the last guy who had this job. Dr. Nefarious. Drove crazy.
Girl and star.
But don't worry, it won't happen to me.
Okay, dogs, mom. Dogs, dad. Are you there?
That's strange.
Right.
I'm running a
Evie.
simulation based on the fragments
No,
located in the
hairball
destroyed planet.
stick.
One is missing a famous landmass.
Well, perhaps the pieces are still out there. There is a lot of space in space.
I guess. But it's worth
Learning
bringing up to the
what I
captain,
have
don't
as
you
a
think?
soldier. Here's some of the upgrades.
Just relax. Everyone stay calm. Something epic is happening.
Pretty cool, huh, Clink?
That's the stuff. Flying in the air like a majestic bird. A majestic bird who knows every time. Watch the master.
Captain, Ilaris and I
Yeah, Doc.
have some information.
Doing a flyby.
If you can
Wonderful
hold on,
soldier!
speak to us for 3 minutes.
And there are the sprinklers. But hey, good news. You already have a mop, huh? So, there's that.
Please, if we could have
Soldier,
just
no,
a
calm
minute to
down.
discuss
Don't
our
worry.
The only thing I'm interested in finding is the Hall of Heroes cafeteria.
The boss died.
It's 3 floors up and it's meatloaf day.
TJ's daughter.
Oh,
Goodness, teacher. You.
All my life,
Mel's baby.
covered for
Schultz, teacher. Are you there?
always treat you so poorly.
Not good.
flying around.
Lizzie's girlfriend, Daisy. Milker's papa. Are you there? T-Pig's mom.
For a big city, the people here sure are
Jimmy's twin sister.
Loud. Oh,
Xbox dad. Are you there?
Wow, look at that. What do you know, Clank? I'm famous.
yes. Though
Yes,
I'm
it
sure
was.
it's exciting.
Hey,
My cultural
well, good.
database shows that fame is highly overrated and ultimately not rewarding. Would you agree?
Oh, totally. Way overrated. Hey, you think they'll name a street after me? Or a cologne?
What? Ratchet.
Smell like a hero.
there he is.
Easy now. There's no rush. Believe me, I could do this all
Big
day.
Spur, are you there?
Sorry, folks, but
Wendy's
unfortunately,
Fred
we don't have
Peter
time
Pan.
for this nonsense. I'm about
Kiss
to reveal
me.
my awesome plan for the attack on Drek Industries. Unless, of course, anyone would
Jesus,
like
Mom.
my autograph.
Zelda Star.
We don't have time.
You the man! Yeah, I love you all! All in person.
Oh, isn't that?
All right,
What do
Rangers.
you soldiers are going on? Man.
Halo drop into Scork City. Fire a whole missile bullets and take Drick into custody so we can be home in time for waffles.
Ah! No, 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 no! Oh, wait!
Wait, that's our plan?
Yes, it is.
Pardon me, Captain, but Chairman Drek is coming.
Soldier
He will be
level.
prepared for our assault.
What?
Look, I think it is beyond it.
Please, soldier.
Big heroes do big things. Each second we waste talking is a second Drick could use to destroy another planet.
But wouldn't it
He
be
is
worth taking
not
5
there.
minutes to review
Don't
our
wait,
plan?
don't wait, don't wait.
Does anyone else feel like we should have shot something by now? Because it really feels like we should have shot something by now.
Thank you.
Take a vote.
Sister,
All those
you
in favor
dare?
of kicking in Dreck's front door with a massive
No,
arsenal of restoring peace
say I.
Say
Say it.
All those in favor
No, say it.
Hey.
Motion passes. We assault Drick Industries tonight. Lock and load, Rangers. Suit up and rally in the aft airlock.
Kills twin blur.
Although I am happy to help with the mission in any capacity,
I find
I
we're
find
doing
this arrangement
serious.
slightly embarrassing.
I'm sorry.
Wait.
But you're the only one who's been in
It doesn't matter. We're going to just soldiering
Best way
around.
for you to keep up. Whoa.
Remember, they're going
Thrusters
to keep
are
to
powered by
just soldier.
rockets,
How? What
so
was?
don't try any solo flights, okay?
I shall endeavor to
He's in good hands, Alaris.
You sure you want to take the extra baggage? No offense, but we're dropping straight into a cauldron. And do you know what's inside
Part
that
of these
cauldron?
small.
Yes, it's dangerous.
Let's see.
Let's